नमस्ते। आज के इस वीडियो में कैंसर के डिफरेंट टाइप्स के प्राइमरी और अर्ली सिम्टम्स कौन से होते हैं इसके बारे में जानेंगे। नॉर्मल सेल की अनकंट्रोल्ड ग्रोथ होती है और वो बॉडी में स्प्रेड होने लगता है, उसे कैंसर कहते हैं। कैंसर इज वन ऑफ द कॉज ऑफ डेथ इन द वर्ल्ड। कैंसर को अगर प्राइमरी स्टेज में ही रोका जाए तो उसकी अगली स्टेज नहीं आएगी और उसे बॉडी में स्प्रेड होने से प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए कैंसर के प्राइमरी सिम्टम्स कौन से होते हैं इसके बारे में पता होना जरूरी है। ब्लड कैंसर सिम्टम्स: fever with or without chills, persistent fatigue, weakness, frequent or severe infections, losing weight without trying, swollen lymph nodes, enlarged liver or spleen, easy bleeding or bruising, excessive night sweating, bone pain or tenderness, recurrent bleeding from nodes, tiny red spots in skin. Brain tumor symptoms: headache or migraines, trouble with balance, speech problems, feeling very tired, confusion in everyday matters, memory problems, eye problems such as blurry vision, seeing double or losing sight, having trouble following simple commands. Personality behavior changes: seizures, especially if there is no history of seizures, hearing problems, nausea or vomiting, losing feeling or movement in an arm or a leg, dizziness, feeling very hungry and weight gain, vertigo. Breast cancer symptoms: painless lump in breast, nipple looks flattened or turns inward, nipple discharge other than breast milk, general pain in any part of the breast, changes in the appearance of one or both nipples, swelling, redness in one or both breasts, changes to the skin over the breast, peeling, scaling, crusting or flaking of the skin on the breast. Cervical cancer symptoms: blood spots or light bleeding between or following periods, menstrual bleeding that is longer and heavier than usual, bleeding after contact, douching or pelvic examination, bleeding after menopause, unexplained persistent pelvic and back pain, pain during contact. Colon cancer symptoms: change in bowel habits, frequent diarrhea or constipation, feeling that the bowel does not empty completely, blood in the stool, abdominal discomfort including frequent gas, pains, bloating, fullness and cramps, weakness, losing weight without trying, unexplained iron deficiency anemia. Liver cancer symptoms: loss of appetite, losing weight without trying, upper abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting, general weakness and fatigue, abdominal swelling, jaundice, white chalky stools. Lung cancer symptoms: cough that does not go away, chest pain, fatigue, shortness of breath, coughing up blood, weight loss with no known cause, recurrent lung infections. Oral cancer symptoms: mouth ulcer last more than 3 weeks, pain inside mouth, difficulty in swallowing, lump inside mouth, on lip, neck or throat, hoarseness of voice, losing weight without trying, red or white patch inside mouth, difficulty in speaking. Ovarian cancer symptoms: quickly feeling full when eating, abdominal bloating or swelling, weight loss, discomfort in the pelvic area, fatigue, back pain, a frequent need to urinate, changes in bowel habits. Skin cancer symptoms: waxy bump on face, ears or neck, new spots that are not brown, painful lesion that bleeds, itches, areas on skin that look like scars, wound or sore that won't heal or if heals come back again, rapid growth of a spot, sores that look crusty, have a depression in the middle or bleed often, new mole or a mole that changes in size, shape, color or that bleeds. Stomach cancer symptoms: feeling bloated after eating, feeling full after eating small amounts of food, trouble in swallowing, abdominal pain, heartburn and indigestion, nausea, vomiting with or without blood, losing weight without trying, feeling very tired. Thyroid cancer symptoms: lump that can be felt through the skin, hoarseness of voice, swollen glands in the neck, difficulty in swallowing, difficulty in breathing, pain in the throat or neck, cough that persists and is not caused by cold. आज के इस वीडियो में कैंसर के डिफरेंट टाइप्स के प्राइमरी सिम्टम्स कौन से होते हैं इसके बारे में जाना। अगर वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।